Hello everybody, I have a question for you. How you learn English through movies? Maybe you will say that you turn on the subtitles, then you read it. But this is totally wrong. You just improving your reading level. You just not improving the listening level. Because when you read the movie subtitles, you are automatically reading the subtitles. But to speak English or improve English levels, the listening is very important. So how you will do this? First of all, you see the movies. This is good. That's not a problem. But to see the movies, don't see the subtitles. Just the full movie. You hear, okay. You listen, and you see what they are saying, okay. You just notice their lips, okay, and then about their pronunciation, about their every words, how they are speaking, and don't just turn off the subtitles. Please don't do this. The second time when you will see the movie, I mean 2 times you can see the movies. On the second times you can read the subtitles, but here is the tricks. When you read the subtitles, you just pause the video. After pause the video every seconds or every sentence, then you turn on the subtitles, then you read the subtitles. Don't together mix it. For example, I am now saying a sentence. Also, right now this is the sentence is it's showing in the down of my face. Okay, for example, but please don't do this. And also, you just make the movies as a slow speed like 0.85x or 0.75x, because more slowly you you see the movies, the more better you will upgrade. Okay, at the beginning you should go in the slow way. Don't see movies in normal speed, and also don't read the subtitles. So after you make the slow speed, you also read the subtitles when the sentence finished. Okay, for example, the hero or any character saying that, hey, we need to do this fast, then just turn on the subtitles and just repeat it. Don't together say or don't together see it, okay, or together don't read it. This is mistakes. So these habits will improve your listening, your reading, and also your speaking. For example, every sentence you see, when after end the scene, when you will read this, your brain will capture this sentence, and it is very helpful. So my friend, just these systems is very helpful. Learning English, speaking English by TV shows or movies, this is totally helpful. 100% I am agree. I also did this, but the people doing mistakes in this way, they are doing wrong way. I also learned English through movies. Lots of English movies I saw. For example, Titanic. For example, like the Cabin Cruise. Okay, lots of I cannot say the name, but any movie when you see, just apply these tricks. Okay, so I'm repeating again. Just turn off the subtitles fast, then just listen the movies or see the movies. They are lip sync, they are everything. Then second time turn on the subtitles but slow speed. Okay, and then repeat it.